Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vegetarian bihun. First, let's prepare our noodles. Take about 200 grams of dried bihun and submerge them in warm water. Let them soak for 10 to 15 minutes until they become soft and pliable. It's crucial they are not mushy, as they'll cook further. Once softened, drain them well and set them aside. This initial step is key for perfect texture. Next, we'll get our vegetables and aromatics ready. Slice 100 grams of carrots into thin julienne strips and shred 50 grams of cabbage. Cut 100 grams of firm tofu into small, bite-sized cubes. Mince 2 cloves of garlic and thinly slice 1 small onion. Don't forget to have 100 grams of fresh bean sprouts and some chopped spring onions ready for a vibrant garnish at the end. Now for the stir-frying. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large wok or pan over medium-high heat. Sauté the minced garlic and sliced onion until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 1 minute. Then, add your prepared carrots, cabbage, and tofu. Stir-fry these for 3 to 5 minutes until they are slightly tender crisp. Push the vegetables to one side, making space for the noodles. Finally, let's bring it all together and season. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of vegetarian oyster sauce directly onto the bihun. Toss everything vigorously, ensuring the noodles are perfectly coated with all the delicious sauces. Stir in your fresh bean sprouts and cook for just 1 to 2 more minutes until they are heated through. Garnish with chopped spring onions and serve your delicious vegetarian bihun immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.